snow everywhere. Everything's whited out. In front of our yard, I mean, look at this street here. Every 5 seconds, the only vehicles allowed on the road are the plows. Just nothing else allowed. First time since 1978 there's been a street ban on driving. Nobody can drive. Look at this. That's a street. You wouldn't know it. It's a long stretch. Snowbanks. Look how high the snowbank is. This is ridiculous. Little dark dots in the white landscape. People walking. Kids trying to have fun. People trying to sled. People trying to live their lives, but you can't go anywhere. You can't leave your house. There's no postal service. There's no driving. It's crazy. Blizzard of 2013.